Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on my rainy day skincare and makeup routine. This is the routine that I generally do when I don't want to put too much makeup on, but I don't even want to go completely barefaced. So let's start. So I'm already done with the toner, so I'll start with moisturizing my face. So the second step will be my eye cream. I'll just dab the eye cream and I'll just massage a bit underneath my eyes. Then the sunscreen. I'm applying SPF 40. I'll just start by dabbing the sunscreen and just applying it all over my face. Then for my makeup, I'll start with a concealer with a small blending brush and blend the concealer on my T-zones. And then I'm gonna set the concealer with the beauty blender. The next step is the BB cream. I'll be applying the BB cream with the foundation brush on my face. Then I'll be using a buffer brush to powder my face with the Wet n Dry Compact Foundation. Then I'll take my eyebrow gel mascara and I'll be cleaning my eyebrow hairs. Then I'll be filling my brows with the dark brown eyebrow gel. Be going ahead and correcting my eyebrows using a concealer and an angular brush. Next, I'm gonna bronze my face as I want a little more color. Since I feel I'm looking a little pale lately, so it's a super important part of my routine on a rainy day, just to cut down my paleness. For my eyes, I'll be using a cream blusher. I'll be going ahead and using my fingers to apply that blusher on my lids. Then I'll take a medium eyeshadow blending brush and I'll blend that blusher to my crease. Then for the blush, I'll be using the same cream blusher, and I'll apply that blusher using a buffer brush. And I'll also be using my fingers to blend the blusher perfectly. Then I'll be taking my coffee shade eye pencil, and I'll start by applying that pencil on the end of my eye. And then slowly taking it all the way in. Then I'll be taking a shader brush and I'll smudge the coffee color a bit. For my mascara, I'm using a waterproof mascara over here. Then I'll be taking a white shimmery eyeshadow, and I'll use a shader brush to apply that eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Then I'll be going ahead and using the mascara on my lower lash line. For my lips, I'll be using the shade called Angel by MAC. Then I'll be taking a dark pink shimmery color from my Clinique's lip palette, and I'll dab that color using my fingers on my lips. Then I'll go ahead and bronze a bit more to give it a more good color. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys loved the video. Please like, share and do subscribe. Till then, see you next time.